Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we will start this TLOC extension. So basically the TLOC extension is a transport redundancy. So in our lab, you can see that we are using this topology here. We are using one link on this device and one link on this device. That's it. Other one I can delete. Give me 1 minute. Stop. Stop. So site is having two connection, one from internet, one from MPLS, but MPLS is only with one device and internet only with one device. By chance, this box is down, right? So in this scenario, your internet is waste. So just for redundancy, what you need to do for this device, you need to take one MPLS connection, one internet connection. The same thing for this, one MPLS connection, one internet connection. But I want to save some cost that okay, I don't want to use two internet public IP and two MPLS connections, so it will be cost more. So what I can do, one internet here and one MPLS is here. So that's how that you can use both the links at the same time if you are using TLOC extension, because for this kind of site the topology will be work like this, that you have one you have two boxes at site, right? One switches at site and there is some LAN connections, right? And the connectivity of the switch is this and this is this. Now you can use the VRRP, right? One transport MPLS transport is here and one internet transport is here. Okay, so you can, and then you can use this TLOC extension here. So if you are using VRRP and your traffic is hitting to this device, the traffic will go via this way from core switch to edge, then will move through this wire and go via this and directly from this device to internet. So that's how you will be able to use both one at the same time. If these boxes are not there, this connectivity is not there, your LAN site will use only this transport, because there is no connectivity between the edges. So you are not able to use this transport. However, redundancy are there. If this LAN is down or by chance this vEdge is down or maybe this internet is down, so your traffic will go via this. But before moving the traffic from the LAN side, you are not able to use both link at the same time. So that's how it is designed. So in TLOC extension, you can see vEdge router are connected only to a respective transport. vEdge routers build IPsec tunnels across directly connected transport and across the transport connected to the neighboring vEdge router. So currently this device having tunnel only with the MPLS transport. Here you can see there is no other tunnel. Even you can see show BFT session tab. So you can see the always the source IP is 113.1.1.12. Okay, and I will go to show control connection tab. So you will see that only MPLS is using by this device to form a control connection with the controllers, right? But through the TLOC extension, we can use both the transport. So you can see if one of the vEdge router fail, second edge router take over forwarding the traffic in and out of site, only transport connected to remaining edge router can be used. So how you can configure? So this is basically one design they have shown the example. So what you need to do, your MPLS is already configured, right? What you need to do, you need to define one interface that will be a extension, because we already learned what is a TLOC, transport locator. So that is a TLOC extension of GE00. But here we are using GE0/1. So in our topology, that TLOC extension interface will be GE0/1. Okay. So when we are extending this GE0, this interface, here we have MPLS. So we are extending this MPLS from this device to another device with the help of one wire. So we are extending this from this device till another device. So till on another device, what we need to do, we will configure the tunnel interface on other side, so that the second tunnel will be initiated from this point, right? For internet we already configured in our device. So what we will do, internet we will extend from another port. Here we have internet connectivity on this box. Now we will extend this internet from this box till the second box on another port. So here we will define, okay, this port will be the G02, will be a part of the TLOC extension, right? Means basically we are telling to this port that you are the extension of this one, and we will configure the same tunnel interface on another port which is connected from this edge. So the second tunnel will be initiated from here, from this point, from this port G0/2. So now this box will have two tunnel. One is from MPLS, one second is initiated from this point for the internet, and this box will also have two tunnels. One already is there, internet tunnel, and second will be initiated from this interface. From this box, it will go via this path. What you need to do? Sometime, because you know that ISP, you need to advertise your this IP 52.52 in your MPLS environment, because in your MPLS does not know this next hop. To if you want to reach this IP, then you need to provide your ISP need to put one static route there. If you want to reach this IP, then your next hop will be 100.65.51.1. That is the MPLS IP address. It is a MPLS IP address which is assigned on this port where the MPLS is connected. So that kind of advertisement they need to do, because in your MPLS environment, if any other branch will try to reach this IP, your MPLS environment of ISP environment does not know where this IP. So we need to put one static route. If you want to reach this IP, then it will be a next hop. So if any other branch will try to make a tunnel, will try to form a tunnel with this IP, then it will reach till this port, and this port know very well, okay, it is configured in my box, and I have one default. Here you can see that we already put one default route here. One is for MPLS, right? So this kind of configuration we need to do. For internet, we put this IP, internet tunnel 51.1.1. So we will configure in our lab, then you will see that how it works, right? So
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.